What's up, you guys? Jess and I are on the way to New York City. We are going to go see the Christmas tree, have a bite to eat, walk around. So I'm hoping to vlog for you guys to show you a little bit of New York City and how you can eat when you're on keto. So let's go enjoy the day. Dunkin' Run. What are you getting?
It's a Dunkin' walk.
I'm getting the
hold on.
cool mint tea.
Allow me.
Thank you. Cool mint tea, guys. And I don't know what he's getting. What are you getting?
An extra large cream sugar.
Oh, I'll get, yeah, my mint tea. Medium, please.
You know that mint tea you guys got over there? You guys got a mint tea over there? That one, medium?
Yes, please.
Medium.
Yes, thank you.
Medium cool mint iced tea.
That's right, because I'm cool. Just came out of Dunkin'. Cool mint tea.
Not cool coffee.
Cool mint tea. Not cool coffee.
Hot.
It is really hot. I just burnt my tongue on this stuff. What do you have? Oh, thanks. You're pretty hot. And I'm not even drinking. No, I'm just kidding. What's in your coffee?
Coffee.
What's in it? Cream?
And sugar.
Splenda, because they don't have stevia. So if anybody out there is corporate for Dunkin', get some damn stevia, please. Please. Please.
Everybody would steal it.
Steal it.
Yes. The box is like $7 in the store.
You got a point there, actually.
They'd have to sell like 4 coffees just for a handful of Splenda.
Just for a Splenda.
To break even.
Oh my God. Well, all right. So we're undecided to go either to Rockefeller Center or the Village in the city. So I guess we'll kind of just wing it and see where we are and where we feel like going. But gotta see the tree. I mean, maybe we could do both. I don't know. It's pushing it.
I think the tree is primary.
The tree is primary. It's gonna probably be really crowded because a lot of people wait till after Christmas to go, but I'm hoping not. But the weather today is in the 50s here and it's beautiful out, so yeah, it might be a little crowded. But
everybody who got coal in their stocking goes on the 27th.
Oh, that would be you. Yep. All right, let's go, coal boy.
Oh, that was yesterday. And the 28th. Those that get nothing in their stocking.
We don't even know what day it is. Pretty soon it's going to be January 2020. Oh my gosh. It's not a TV show. 2020.
I only watched The Curse of Oak Island.
It's absolute pandemonium here in New York City. We're at the tree right now. I don't know if you can see. Holy people. I'm going to take you to show you the tree. It's insane, the amount of people here. Hold on. Ready? There you go. Insane. But we would never miss this. We do this every year. It is so magical here and makes you like literally well up with emotion. If you've never been to New York and you have an opportunity to come, do it at this time of the year. It is magical. Magical. What do you think? Magical?
Yes, and you have to be able to work your way through a crowd.
It's insane. Some lady tripped over my foot. She was like, whoa. Anyway, we're headed to dinner now. We saw the tree. I want to see the ice skating thing, but there's such a long line. Bummer. But anyway, all right, well, we'll see you at the next clip. Hey, what's your name?
Justin.
Hi, Justin. That's right, Rush at the Hard Rock Cafe. Cheers, keto drink, vodka and Diet Coke, baby. Here at Hard Rock Cafe, dinner just arrived. This is my dinner. It's literally just salmon, some lettuce, Parmesan crisps and cheese. The croutons I'm gonna remove, and let me show you Jess's food.
I really like the plate. Nice plate.
It's really good. Definitely not like I would make at home, but good. They're playing some really cool songs, actually. They played a little bit of Eminem, Rush, which is my favorite. What else did they play? We got Britney on the thing now. We're having fun, guys. We're having a great time. Still milking my vodka Diet Coke. But that's okay. We're not in a hurry. Someone's hungry. All right, we're gonna go eat. We'll see you in a little bit. Dinner was so good. Salmon was good. The drinks were good. Did you have fun? You have fun?
Great times.
Right now we're in the middle of where?
Times Square.
Times Square.
This is where they drop the ball.
Yes, on New Year's Eve, and they're actually
Not figuratively speaking.
they're setting up all the stages for that. Check it out.
I think the electric bill around here is about
Oh my God, millions.
85 grand a second.
At least. So pretty here though. So pretty. Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna, where are we going? We're walking? We're walking. We're gonna burn off that dinner.
45th.
I kept it keto though, guys. I kept it keto. So crowded. Pickpocketers galore. Bubba Gump shrimp. If you guys have ever watched, what was Bubba Gump shrimp from?
Forrest Gump.
Forrest Gump. That's right, Bubba Gump shrimp. There it is.
Here it is. Here it's going. Come to
We should go have food there one day. All right, we're gonna cross this madhouse. We're good? I think we're good. Oh, that'd be a good shot, standing in the road like that.
Look at everybody in the road.
Yay! Oops, sorry. Here, come here.
Let's get in the road too.
That's where the ball drops.
Ready?
We literally live a half hour and we're still amazed every time we come here. Where to, bub?
That way.
Which way? This way?
Look, there's people in the Christmas ornaments.
Can we go in them?
I think they're fake.
Move it, Marv. Losing us. Hi, Mama. I love New York. Who's that leaving? All the little stores.
Left on 5th, first right on 45th.
Okay. Check out these little bicycle taxis. Imagine driving in one of those on these roads. eat. I'd be afraid to get run over. Wouldn't you? And there's the scent of good old marijuana in the air. Maybe that's why I'm feeling weird. I don't know. I think I had one drink and I think it hit me now. Woo. Everywhere you go, you smell pot.
It's better than smelling crack.
Yes, that's true. That's true. We haven't seen one crackhead.
People act completely differently.
Yeah. So pretty. Look at this. Fun time.
Yeah, we had a great time.
We had a great night, guys. Thanks for tagging along.
Yeah, we met Felipe.
Yes, from Portugal, a bass player. We're trying to convince him to stay. Such a nice guy.
My brother's sending me some very funny texts.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
All right, guys, so keeping it keto was the salmon salad. And no matter where you go, clearly there's some kind of option. So stay focused. That's all I can say. Stay focused. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you liked it, thumbs up, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Have a great night. Bye, guys.